So hello my buddies, कैसे हो आप लोग? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss the IBPS calendar with you all. So before getting into the video, I would like to request you all, please subscribe my channel and set the notification bell icon to all so that you can get the updates of all my upcoming videos.
So guys, here's the tentative calendar for online common recruitment process for RRBs and PSBs. Okay, so we have two types of examination conducted by IBPS. That is first for RRBs and second for PSBs. Okay, so in RRBs we have two types of examinations. That is RRB office assistant and for officers. Okay, so these are the two examination in the category of RRBs. And in the category of PSBs, we have two types of examination as well here also. First one is IBPS clerk, and second one is IBPS PO. Okay, so first of all, we will talk about and we will discuss the dates of examination of RRBs. After that, we will talk about the dates of PSBs. Okay, so here we have the dates of pre-examination, of office assistants and officer scale 1. Okay, so we have the dates of pre-examination, that is 7th of August and 13th of August 2022 and 14th of August and 20 August and 21st August. So these are the 5 days for the pre-examination of RRBs, and we have the main examination of RRBs on 2 dates, and these are the single day exam. Officer scale 1 means RRB PO. This is for RRB PO. Okay, so RRB PO mains examination is in September, 24th September, right? And for office assistant, of a mains examination of office assistant means RRB clerk. This is RRB clerk. Okay, so this exam is on 1st of October. 1st of October. Okay, so these dates are for RRB examination, RRB PO, RRB clerk, and pre and mains examination dates. Okay, now we will discuss the dates of mains and pre examination for IBPS PO and IBPS clerk. So here we have the dates for IBPS PO and clerk. So we have the clerk examination, clerk pre-examination on 3 dates. It is in 28th of August, 3rd September, and 4th September. Okay, and mains examination of IBPS clerk is on 8th of October. Okay, now for IBPS PO, so pre-exam of IBPS PO is on 15th October, 16th October, and 22 October. Okay, and mains exam of IBPS PO is on 26th November. Okay, now this is for SO. This is for SO. Okay, so IBPS SO examination pre-exam is on 24th of December and 31st December, and mains examination of IBPS SO is on 29th January 2023. So this is the calendar of IBPS for the year 2022 and 23. Okay, so now what next? Okay, what we have to do next? Okay, now bounce back and forget all the results, forget all of your results, like IBPS clerk and disappointments of IBPS clerk result and previous results. Please forget all these things, but don't forget your mistakes. Okay, learn from your mistakes and remember what you have done wrong. Okay, in previous exams. So improve those mistakes and bounce back and start your preparation again. Okay, so now we will discuss the section wise strategy for the respective exams for IBPS PO, IBPS clerk, IBPS RRB PO, and IBPS RRB clerk. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 months. We have 6 months, right? So we can easily prepare for this examination from zero level to advanced level, right? So we will start from the basics. We will start from the basics, and after that we will touch the advanced level. Okay. So each and every topic in quants and reasoning, we need to start with basic. So this must be our approach to complete any topic. So start any topic with zero level and take it to the high levels. So now let's discuss the section wise strategy. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss the strategy for English. Okay. So the way to prepare English is divide the English section in two parts. Okay. First part is totally based upon the grammar concepts. And the second part is totally based upon the reading ability. Okay, so for the grammar concept, we need to cover all the grammatical rules. Okay, so for this part, for grammar rules, I'm starting a YouTube video series on my YouTube channel. So I'll be sharing a series of videos on my YouTube channel of grammar rules along with the practice sets and the proper explanation. Okay, so you can follow me on my YouTube channel for this. Okay, and along with this, you need to do practice. Okay, and for the reading part, you need to read newspaper daily. And I must recommend editorial section. Okay, of the newspaper. Okay, and the second one is most important part is RC. Okay, so when you read newspaper on the daily basis, you will be preparing for the this reading comprehension part. Okay, and by covering this grammar concept part, you will be covering error detection concept, error detection topic, and after that fillers. Okay, so you will be covering these two topics by covering grammatical concepts. You need to cover these, you need to focus on these two things, that is grammatical concepts and reading ability to ace the English section. Okay, so this is it for the English section, and along with this, you need to do practice. Okay, practice is the only key to ace anything. Okay, so now we are moving to our next strategy, that is of quant section. So now we will be discussing the strategy of quants. Okay, so for quants, we have many topics, right? We have many topics like percentage, ratio and proportion. Third one is profit and loss. So like this, we have up to 15 to 16 topics. Okay, in quants. Okay, so you will have these topics in syllabus, and if you want this full syllabus for the banking examination, so you can join me on Telegram, and the Telegram link is here. So you can join me on Telegram. I will provide you the daily newspaper there, and also I will provide you the syllabus if you want. Okay, and we conduct the daily CA and the revision CA quizzes, current affairs quizzes on my Telegram group. Along with this, we conduct English quizzes also. Okay, so you can join me on my Telegram channel for your preparation. Okay, okay. So for quants, take topic wise. Okay, for quants, start your preparation topic wise. Start your preparation topic wise. Okay, so take one topic, like you are taking any one topic. If you are taking percentage, So start with the basics. Start with the basics. After that, do the practice. After that, do practice of the basic questions. Basic questions practice. Okay. After that, what do you need to do? After that, prelims level questions. Okay. And after that, high level questions. Okay. After that, high level questions. So you need to start with basics. After that, you will be doing basic questions with basic methods only. After that, here you need to learn. After that, here you need to learn the tips, the tricks. After that, you need to learn here the tricks. Okay, to solve the questions in less time, right? So to learn these tricks, you need to learn basics. See, tricks are nothing, but when you are able to eliminate the steps in calculation, right? So this is called trick. Like if you are by basic method, we will be solving any question in 5 steps, and when you do practice a lot, so you will be able to eliminate 2 steps from it. So now you are solving the questions in just 3 steps, right? So this is called trick. Okay, so this one, and after that you will be solving prelims level questions, and you will be after that you will be solving high level questions. Like that, you need to cover any topic in quants. Okay, and the most important part in quants is you will be having a bunch of questions. You will be having the bunch of questions in prelims of quadratic equations, simplifications, approximation. Fourth one is number series. So these are the 4 topics from which you will be having the bunch of questions in your examination. Like you will get in IBPS clerk examination, you will get simplification and approximation questions, approx 15 questions from here. Okay, 14 to 15 questions from there. And quadratic equation, 5 questions. Okay, and number series, from the number series, you can have 5 questions, right? So these are the scoring topics. So you need to do practice of these 4 topics regularly, on regular basis and daily. Okay. So this is for the quant section. Now we are moving to the reasoning section. Okay. So for the reasoning section, we have many topics like blood relation. Second one, we can say syllogism. Third, order and ranking. Okay, like this, we will have 10 to 12 topics in the reasoning. Okay, and like quants, we will have the bunch of questions from the reasoning also. So the most important topics from the reasoning are puzzle, seating arrangement. So from puzzle and seating arrangement, you will be having in prelims. I am talking about prelims now. In prelims, you will have 3 to 4 sets. 3 to 4 sets. Okay, it depends on the it depends on the exam. If you are, whether you are giving the exam of PO or clerk. Okay, so 3 to 4 sets from these 2 topics, and in each set you will be having 5 questions. You will be having 5 questions. So how many questions in total you will have? 15 to 20 questions. Okay, it depends on exam. Okay, so 15 to 20 questions out of 35 questions you will be having from these 2 topics. So these 2 topics are very, very, very important to ace the reasoning section. Okay, now the third important topic is syllogism, and fourth one is inequality. Okay, these are the 4 topics which are very important for the reasoning section. Okay. The strategy to prepare reasoning should be for the beginners. You need to pick one topic and start it from the basic and take it to the high level questions. Okay. And in reasoning, when you do practice a lot, so you will be able to solve the questions in less time. Okay. So practice is the only key to ace any section like English, quants and reasoning. Okay. Now we will be discussing the most important section for the mains examination, that is current affairs, right? So most of these aspirants wait for their prelims result after they start the after the prelims result. If they qualify the prelims, after that they start to prepare current affairs. But in banking exams, IBPS gives less than 15 days to take mains. So this is a very short period to cover. So this is very short period of time to cover current affairs of 6 months. So that's why we need to prepare current affairs regularly on daily basis. Okay. And so now we will discuss how to prepare current affairs. So for the current affairs section, I will suggest Affairs Cloud. Okay. So go through the Affairs Cloud PDF on the daily basis, and Affairs Cloud gives two types of PDF on daily basis. First one is detailed PDF, and the second one is question and answer PDF. So you need to follow these two things for the current affairs section. And if you want to follow any video series for the current affairs, so I will start the current affairs video series on my YouTube channel. If you want, so please comment below. So I will start the current affairs video series for that. And for this section, we conduct the current affairs quizzes on daily basis and revision quiz also. So you can join me on Telegram. So we will be doing the current affairs quiz there. So this is the strategy for this section, and our strategy portion is completed now. And don't get demotivated by the rumors. And you need to be confident, right? If you can dream it, you can achieve it. So at the end of this video, I would like to request you all, if you like my video, please like it and share it, and please subscribe my channel and also give your feedbacks. And if you want any video on any topic, so you can comment below. I will make the video on that topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.